My fellow Lions, I am proud to acknowledge that Lions clubs throughout Australia have been supporting MARTA for more than 20 years. You know, we started the Lions Prostate Cancer Research and Treatment Project with the aim of educating men about prostate cancer and improving health outcomes. Men tend to hesitate to talk about their health issues, which makes this project even more important. It's humbling to see how the ongoing support Lions has given MARTA has made a significant difference to the diagnosis and treatment of prostate cancer for men in the country or even around the world. The investment into research that Lions clubs have made will continue to benefit health outcomes for us, our sons, and grandsons in the future. Associate Professor Kristen Radford from MARTA Research is here to give you an update on how the support from Lions has made a huge impact on their research.
So we've been making vaccines and originally set out to make a vaccine for prostate cancer, and along the way we found out that it's actually useful for treatment of many other cancers as well. And we've been very grateful for the support of the Lions Foundation, who a few years ago funded us a piece of equipment called an ELISpot reader, and that's been instrumental in the lab for enabling us to assess in preclinical models whether our vaccine works or not. And we're now starting to pursue production of clinical grade of this vaccine with a view to start clinical trials in a lot of different cancer patients, hopefully soon. Another important thing that the Lions have been instrumental in funding was establishing the cord blood bank originally at MARTA, and a lot of the units that are donated for cord blood banking are unsuitable for transplantation purposes, usually because they don't have high enough cells. And in some of those cases, those donors very generously are able to donate that unit for research. And those units have been really important for enabling us to evaluate our vaccine and to be able to develop new innovative models that we can look at human immune responses and test our new vaccines. So that's been a long-lasting legacy of that initial investment by Lions to enable us to use those cords that would be otherwise not be able to use for research purposes. Prior to the donation of the equipment, we had a really old piece of equipment that was suboptimal and not overly reliable. So this cutting edge piece of equipment really enabled us to get some very high quality and reproducible data, and that contributed to very high impact papers that described that vaccine. And again, the initial investment in the cord blood bank that has left that lasting legacy that has enabled us to access surplus or unsuitable cords that can otherwise be used for research has just been enormously valuable to our research.
Thank you to every Lions Club and individuals who has generously donated to MARTA over the last 20 years. It's so rewarding to see how our support of prostate cancer research is changing lives every day and ensuring a better future for our loved ones. I'm proud to stand with my fellow Lions Club members and know that we are making a difference.